Hey. Oh, oh,
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking me if you did. Today's video, I'm gonna be working on this painting some more. I'm making a new intro because I didn't like the other one. So, and it's pretty big. He's at the bottom of it though. Clearly the background is already done. I just have to paint him, so I'm gonna be recording that process for y'all. And I'm gonna try to talk more throughout the video about like what I'm doing, because I know that y'all wanted me to talk more, which is also why I'm gonna try to do intros and outros with me actually talking, because also I'm too scared to do a skincare routine or a hair routine because one, my hair is not that great, and two, my skin is literally not that great either. If y'all want something like that, I'll do it, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna record it yet, or I don't know, the whole thought of it just makes me kind of uncomfortable. If that's what y'all want me to do, I feel like that sounds bad. I don't know. If y'all are interested in that type of shit, I'll do it, but you gotta let me know. And I feel like there was something else that I wanted to say, but I guess not, so we're just gonna get right into it. So the first thing I'm doing, why are these stuck? That's annoying. So the first thing I'm gonna do is mix the colors, and this show is nuts. Y'all gotta watch this fucking show. If y'all haven't watched the little Tiger King shit on Netflix, you need to watch this shit, because this shit has me stuck right now. Like, I don't even think I can watch this while I'm trying to film because I won't be able to do it. Also, this ring light is like not that bright. I have another one coming. That's why I haven't been posting, because like I didn't post. The reason I didn't post for a while was because I don't like this ring light. Like, I don't like the whole setup, and I was supposed to have a better one by the time I even started the channel, and it's just not going my way, so bear with me. What else did I want to say? My room's this is my room with the lights turned off, so like it definitely helps a lot. Y'all don't want to hear what the fuck I'm talking about, and I failed to realize that. Well, I'm kind of cute with the lights out. I need to calm down. I'm fried right now, so alright. Sorry, I had to go clean the kitchen. Make sure y'all go cop a laptop sticker and shop with by Sheba Beauty, period, on Instagram. If you want to go find them, make sure you go check out my Instagram, because the link is in my Instagram bio. Y'all can use my code to get any of their products 15% off on your whole entire purchase. Y'all peep the fucking profile picture. Y'all are probably like, is this bitch ever gonna paint? Yes. No. Yes. But I'm gonna drink this water first. Y'all see me? So my computer is touchscreen, so I like to do it in a separate tab so I can like zoom in as far as I need to go, you know? My computer doubles over as a tablet. Make the skin tone first. So for the skin tone, you're gonna need flesh tone pink or light pink. I'm just being kind of extra. You see, I love painting white ass or Japanese tone niggas, because my shit is gone. Like, I need a new one. I knew I needed something else, bruh. I got brown, right? I got the glossy one by Apple Barrel. These are so good. I love these paint ones. I love their acrylic paint. It just makes me so happy. Can't wait to use that. So this is my pan, my mixing pan. It looks pretty ghetto right now because there's like 8 layers of paint in every single pot, but that's okay, because at this point it's uncleanable. Like, this shit is like, I'm gonna buy, see, that's that shit. So I ordered some gouache paint, and I don't think it's coming until like, okay, let me show y'all what I'm doing. I ordered some gouache paint, and I don't think it's gonna be coming until, it said it's gonna come on Thursday, April 7th, so it's gonna come Tuesday, so I'm gonna have to wait. But gouache Gouache is basically, it's like watercolor mixed with acrylic. Like, it's like more opaque than watercolor, but it's not acrylic. It's like them both mixed. If they had a baby, its name would be Gouache. Okay, I'm really excited because my new ring light is gonna be here, and it's really tall, or taller than this shit. So hopefully better angles coming soon. How I roll my woods tutorial coming soon. I emptied out all of the flesh pink I had. That's depressing. Pid, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Pid. This is why I don't record me talking while I paint, because I talk too fucking much. When I try to make a skin tone darker, I try not to use black. I try to use brown, but the joke is not everybody has brown undertones. And I don't think Kakashi really has that. I think he just really has like a little bit of cream tint to him, you feel me? Like, I don't think if I add brown, this is gonna go the right way. So like some of this shit, nah. I could use like, all right, so y'all already see I got the flesh pink in there. And now I'm gonna use this color. It's called Unbleached Titanium, a good little amount. And make sure you take in how much of the first color you have, and that's how you decide how much of the other colors to add. You don't want to add too much though. I'm telling you, because you're gonna fucking regret it when you gotta make the color all lighter again. I don't even know if I have the video storage to be making a video like this, but we gonna see, because this is 16 minutes. This is 16 minutes, baby. Okay, so you gotta drizzle the white on top, you know. And I really like to use a fluid paint when I mix mediums, because some acrylic paints are thicker than others and they just don't spread well when they're super thick. So keep that in mind. So make sure you are wise when you're picking a brush size. Bars. But yeah, make sure you pick wisely when it comes to brush sizes. Chill out. I'm gonna use a medium brush. See, this is why I don't like recording like this, because like, this is why I don't record me talking, because it takes me so long to do everything, bro. I swear to God. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I lied to you, Martin. I just didn't want to go to your zone. The brush is clean. It's just green. Bars. So I'm just using a brush. You can use a mixing spatula, but I just feel like those pick up all of the paint and then I can't get it back into the well. So I don't like to use it anymore. It just picks up all my paint. And the brush does pick up paint, but you use it when you put it on the canvas. So it doesn't really matter. And like I said, it's the perfect shade. Y'all are not fucking with me with my sense of color, okay? Period. When I make the outline, it'll clean up in between those lines. You see how it, like, I go over lines, the black lines. When I outline it over again, after I do every single layer, that's what makes it look way cleaner. Oh, not running low. Got the skin down. Whatever skin he had peeking. He looks like he has like a lopsided eye because I painted over all the detailing. Oh, his arm is out, so I have to paint his arm skin. See? I was finna forget. Alright, so just to update y'all real quick, this is where I'm at right now. I had stopped recording for a minute, so right now all I've got is, you know, the hair and starting to paint the backpack. It looks really, really rough right now because this is the rough draft. Layer 1. It kind of looks like weird because it's at an angle on my easel, but this is how it really looks. I'm gonna let y'all return to the time lapse while I finish painting the backpack, and then we're gonna get to the mask and then the eyes, and then we're gonna overdraw everything, and yeah, it's gonna be great. I'm at the point where I have finished certain aspects. Well, paint wise, this is a rough draft. Y'all wanted to see the process, so here y'all go. I've done the hair, I've done the backpack, I've done the skin. Even did the little scar on his eye. Everything is that, like, in that world is done. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take my paint pens, acrylic water-based paint pens, okay? These are by Handicrafts. These are my fine tip ones. The thick tip ones, like these thick ones, these ones are Deco Color markers. They're really good. I really like those. They're super opaque. So are these ones. I forgot I was supposed to be talking. When you use an acrylic paint pen, you always have to press, like, you have to get a piece of paper and make sure before you put it on your surface that you press it down. So for example, I'm about to use this brown one, like this flesh brown one, to like outline and make details within the scar down Kakashi's eye. When I use it, before I even take the lid off, you want to shake it like 10 times. And then you're going to press it down. I do 4 times. All I did just now was outline the scar with brown, not black, because that's not what the fuck scars do. So now I'm taking the same brand of marker, but this one is just a black one. It's 3:34. I've been working on this painting since like 1 o'clock, I want to say. And we're definitely gonna go over the hair too, so don't get me mistaken. Trust me, I'm very much a perfectionist when it comes to how clean my lines look. Shake it 10 times, press it down on a piece of paper 4 times. Oh, by the way, I'm just defining the eyes right now and the facial features, like the ears, brows, all that type of stuff. Alright, so I be hallucinating, bro. So this is where we're at with the painting so far. We've got everything re-outlined and crispy looking. Y'all see? I really fuck with this. Like, this is probably one of my favorite things that I've painted. It's just so clean, and y'all was doubting me. Y'all thought it was gonna look raggedy. No, bitch. It do be kind of clean though. It just like started flying out in different directions. The lines I've made is to separate the shadowing, so the lighter areas from the darker ones. So I'm gonna paint the darker areas first, and then I'm gonna paint the lighter ones after that.
I could trust you, don't lie. I could really use it. Everybody need love, even niggas like me.
Y'all can't tell me I'm not cool with the painting skills. Y'all just can't. Alright, so if y'all enjoyed the video and you want to see more painting videos that are actually talk-throughs like this one, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and actually subscribe to my channel, because y'all have been hoeing me lately. But it's okay, I'm gonna give y'all some time. So yeah, make sure y'all watch all of my previous videos. My most recent video when I showed my most recent paintings, and I did a try on haul for y'all, so make sure y'all go check that video out if you want to see that. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to purchase Kakashi, please let me know. You can let me know in the comments, but I suggest DMing me on any of my social media accounts that are left at the end of the video, and I will get right back to you. He's going for $45 right now, super low, and the canvas itself is 18 by 24. New videos coming soon. I hope y'all enjoyed this one. Peace.